Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, and I'm going to be starting another of the University of Waterloo Gauss contests. This time it will be the Grade 8 Gauss from the year 2010. So just last week we went through the Grade 7 Gauss, so if you're interested in that particular contest, you can take a look at those videos. I know that sometimes it's a little confusing because there are two contests called Gauss. This is the one aimed for Grade 8 students. Of course, if you are younger, you're welcome to write that one, this one as well. Okay, so I'll let you read through the particular notes. You can either read them on screen, these instructions, or you can click the very first link in the description and get a copy of this contest for yourself. And, I would encourage you to do that so that you can print it out and try it on your own, try it with a friend, try it with a tutor or a coach or a teacher or a parent or really anyone. And, you can give it a good try and see how far you could get before coming back and watching and seeing how I go through the contest. Now, just because I do a question a particular way doesn't mean that's the best way, doesn't mean that's the only way. You can actually go to the CEMC, they're the people who make this contest. You can go to their website, it's the second link in the description, and you can actually find their solutions to this and other contests that they've done, that they've made. And sometimes I differ in the way that they do things, so you get multiple sources for learning about how to go through these contests. But as I say, I'll let you read through the instructions either in your copy or on that screen that I just sort of hung on for a little. And we're going to get into some of the questions. So, we're going to start with question number 1 in this video, then 2, then 3, and so on. So if you're looking for a particular question, it should be relatively easy for you to find a video where I'm going through that. So, this first one here, 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 10 equals. Okay. Now, usually the first question is a very basic arithmetic question, and you are allowed your calculator on these contests, so if you need to, you can grab it. But I would caution you, depending on the way your calculator works, just simply plugging in the numbers might not be enough. This is an order of operations question, and we do multiplication before we do additions or subtractions. So we want to compute 3 times 4 first, simplify that to 12, and then we can do 2 plus 12 is 14, plus another 10 is 24, and 24 will be our answer. Rather than, so another way you could try to do the question would be 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 10 is 14, and then 5 times 14 is 70. That's another way to read this. And in real life, people tend to use brackets to really indicate what's going on, but in the absence of brackets, we tend to use order of operations, which says that multiplication and division is done before addition and subtraction. Okay, so this settles us into our very first question, and 24 is A, so that will be the first answer we would bubble in. I'm just going to write it down as I tend to do, but on the actual contest we would bubble it in on a Scantron sheet. And we're off to a great start, so I will see you in the next video for question 2, or if you're more interested in question 20, well, just wait, and I'll see you in the video for that one as well. But whatever you decide to watch next, I look forward to seeing you guys there, and happy mathing!